In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft multiplayer without Aternos. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna cover various different methods that allow you to do multiplayer in any Minecraft world without using Aternos. So, Aternos is useful because it is free and convenient. It allows you to get a server running in no time. However, it can get quite annoying because of the wait times, possible queues, and especially all of the ads on the website. So you might be curious on how you can set up a server by yourself. Well, I'm going to start with what I believe is the most convenient way by far, which is hosting a LAN world. Now, of course, I assume not everyone is going to be sharing the same network and with their friends available nearby. So you can still play in a LAN world with your friends even if they are far away. All that you have to do is host a world, so whoever is going to be hosting enters the world, go over to Open to LAN, set up the parameters, and the port number can be left on whatever, it doesn't matter. Now, once you get the port number, you will have to do some port forwarding on your router. Sadly, this is a process that I cannot cover in its entirety on this video, but there are plenty of easy to follow guides out there. Port forwarding will allow you to share your IP address alongside this port, and your friends will be able to use your IP address to connect into your LAN world, even if you aren't sharing the same network. You can also use something like Hamachi or Radmin VPN. Now, if you aren't comfortable with port forwarding and you don't like the approach of Radmin VPN or Hamachi because of security concerns, there are some alternative methods as well. You can create a server on your own PC. So all that you have to do is look for download Minecraft server and they will have it available on the official website. So you can download whichever version you want or go over to the wiki if you want older versions of the Minecraft server, and they will also have a full guide on how to do it here. Basically, you will run this jar file that you can download here, and by downloading this jar file, running it on a folder, it will create all of the files needed for the server to function. For this one, whoever is going to be hosting needs to have the server open on their PC. If they turn it off, it is going to go offline, of course. And finally, the last option, which might also be convenient, is to download the Essential mod. Everyone who is going to be playing needs to have the Essential mod, and as you can clearly see from this preview video, it is going to add a social tab into Minecraft. So you can pause at any point, click the social options at the right side, and add your friends through their name. So it essentially acts as a bridge between you and your friends, and you can make a server anytime, anywhere. So choose one of these options to play Minecraft multiplayer. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft multiplayer without Aternos. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.